Om Gam Ganapatye Namaha. Kaliyugada Kalpataru, the fifth delight. Shri Raghavendra Gurusarvabhauma. Chapter 35. Deepavali Mahabhisheka and Scholarly Assembly. The King of Madurai. Kumara Krishnappa was a great devotee of Shri Vijayendra Tirtharu. In response to the king's long-standing prayers, Shri Vijayendra Tirtharu, accompanied by his dear disciples, arrived in Madurai to conduct the Deepavali festival, the grand Mahabhisheka of Shri Moolarama and Distinguished Scholar Assembly, that is Vidvasabha. The grand celebration commenced with great splendor. On Naraka Chaturdashi, the morning rituals began with Tulsi Puja and Go Puja, that is worship of the sacred Tulsi plant and cows. Enne Shastra, that is oil anointing ceremony, the distribution of Phalamantrakshata, that is sanctified fruits and rice blessings. Thousands of devotees gathered to participate, making the event truly auspicious. From that day onwards, the daily worship of Sri Moolarama, Tirtha Prasada and grand feasts continued with great fervor. The Vidvatsabha, that is scholarly congregation, was formally inaugurated under the presidency of Sri Vijayendra Tirtharu. Sri Sudhindra Tirtharu delivered the introductory address, explaining the main purpose of the assembly was to establish and defend the doctrine of Dvaita. He then selected a key section from the renowned text Nyayamrita, interrupting and refuting objections, that is Purva Paksha, with precise logic, clear reasoning and scriptural authority, thereby reaffirming the Dvaita philosophy. After presenting his explanation, he invited scholars to engage in discussion or raise objections. However, the scholarly audience, spellbound by the lucid exposition of the revered Guru, remained silent. None could dispute his interpretation. Instead, the entire assembly erupted in resounding victory chants, praising the Guru's wisdom. Following this, many students underwent rigorous examinations in disciplines such as Nyaya, Vyakarana, Mimamsa, and Alankara Shastra. Over 2 days, the great assembly witnessed Venkatanatha's astonishing intellect and scholarly brilliance. He actively participated in the interpretation and debates across multiple disciplines, demonstrating his unparalleled genius. His mastery extended not only to Vedic scriptures and Vedangas, but also to the Yoga Shastras, where he displayed remarkable depth of knowledge. His exemplary intellect and debating skills earned him the deep admiration of both Sri Vijayendra Tirtharu and Sri Sudhindra Tirtharu, who recognized his extraordinary potential. Hari Om. Om Sri Krishnarpanamastu.